Hello everybody, guess what time it is? So excited! Anyway, it's not even open yet. I had it at work and everybody was like, what's in the box? What's Birchbox? What's Birchbox? And I'm like, check my video and you'll find out. They just think I'm mean. So, even though I was very tempted to look in it, I did not. Hey everybody, this is my daughter, Samantha.
Hi. I don't know if you can see me.
Alright. Oh, this is my second Birchbox. Kind of plain, boring, maybe recyclable, I don't know. What the heck? Okay. Oh. Alright. Inside, I don't know what that is. Yeah. Got a card. It's called The Month When Ice Cream is Totally a Food Group. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Alright. What's in this sucker? We got some pink paper. Like it. I didn't drop it, I swear. Alright. So, this is the box. Alright. First things first, I'm a realist. Something, let the whole world feel it. We got the Whish shave cream, acai and grapefruit. I like shave creams. I usually just use, soap or shampoo or conditioner or something. Moisturizes, soothes, nourishes. Nourishes. Oh, it don't smell too bad. I like it. I'm gonna try that out. Yeah, baby. Number 2. Vasanti BrightenUp Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator Exfoliating Cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Dramatically improve your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. Okay. It's got papaya in it. I wonder if it smells good. Yeah. Oh, you can't see that. Oh, it's gritty. Since it's exfoliating. That is the weirdest feeling. Like, I don't think I've ever had an exfoliator that's like that. Okay. Try that out. What is this? Catherine Malandrino? I don't know. But it feels like something circular. Oh, I bet it's perfume or something. Okay. Yeah, I bet. If you laugh. Just kidding. Yeah, looks like a perfume. I don't think it's called anything though. Just the name. I probably won't wear it. I can't even describe it. It's kind of manly, actually. I don't think that was very successful. Tee-hee, tee-hee. That's what it says, right? Tee-hee, tee-hee, tee-hee. There better be something good in here. There's 2 things. Oh, you know how they had the thing where you could pick what you wanted, even though I didn't get what I wanted, but this was my second choice. It's the Stainiac hint of tint for cheeks and lips. Just a little tiny thing of it. That's what I had put on there. I wanted something else though, but there's not really a smell. It's called Beauty Queen. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's very, like, thin. Spreads out to hardly anything, but you gotta do it fast because it, like, stayed in the one spot. Sorry, I know I always look up. I need to put something around my camera here that says, look here, look here. I don't know. Looks like we got a ModelCo Shimmer Bronzing Powder. I'm not a big bronzing kind of person. In fact, I'm going to trade the one I just got in my Ipsy box to somebody else. If I can open this thing. Hold on. I had to use scissors. Sorry, I did it off camera. You know how I look with scissors. Alright. Yep, kind of looks just like the other one. Ooh, maybe I'll send this one to her too. I don't want to swatch that one, because I got this one from Ipsy and they look pretty similar. I think I'm just gonna send her both. Shh, don't tell Maria. Anyway, that was everything in my box. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please hit that button down below. You know which one I'm talking about. And then also hit the other button to subscribe. And that's it. Other than, this is the Birchbox. It's a subscription service. It's $10 a month. And you get 4 to 5 deluxe size samples. And plus you earn these awesome points and earn free stuff with your points. Yeah. All right. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.